Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save space in your garden on Grow a Garden. So your garden will look kind of cleaner and not overcrowded like this. So let's transform my garden from looking like this to this. So you're going to basically purchase some viny beams here, and let me just go back to my garden. If you want it to look more organized, you're going to place it like this here. So I'm just going to open cosmetics and I'm going to get the viny beam, which is this one over here. And I am going to, rotate it this way, sideways like this. I'm also just going to lock it in place so it doesn't rotate any further. So it looks something like this, as you can see. Then I'm just going to take a sign, and for this one, let's do vegetable, and I am going to rotate that, again locking it in place, and I'm just going to move it here. Then you're going to want to get your seed out, and you're going to stand here, position it so your camera is like kind of at like eye level on the like ground, sort of like on the soil, and then you're just going to kind of want to position it where you want to plant the seed. Just going to plant it like in the corner here. I'm just kind of adjusting. It is kind of hard to do, and I'm just going to spam click it until I run out of my seed, I guess. And then as you can see here, once I've watered the plants, you can see that they're all in the same spot. So you'll still have space if you want to plant other plants. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.